that Jack's?
What is it? What is this? Whoa!
Button.
What is it?
Button. Button.
Where's the buttons?
There is a good one.
I'll turn it on. Oh, it's just on though, isn't it?
It's all. Yeah.
Sit in the chair, Jack Jack. Let's show you how it works. There, look, do this.
What is that?
Tractor.
Oh boy.
What kind of tractor?
Is that for
Watch
Jack?
this. Watch this. Ready?
Bam.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, Jack's got to let go of his end. Watch that.
This is amazing what it does. Oh, there we go.
Whoa!
Hold it.
Cool. Now to charge the batteries. To charge the battery after the use. You haven't charged them already?
Yeah,
It's
we
all
did.
charged.
I don't know why.
But the hood
Is he
has to
pushing-
open.
Is he pushing on the thing?
Here, Jack.
Edible.
Edible.
Edible. Come here.
Come here, take the trailer off.
Get up here.
Yeah. Push the pedal.
Place it.
Oh, he's going to take everything out.
Oh
This is a tractor. Here's the trailer.
Okay. Push it. Push the button.
And that's the little gear we got to watch it. We're not come out of the gear.
Under that paper. Oh, we're doing the papers.
Oh no.
We'll take them home with him tomorrow. Push him up over that.
Oh, they're familiar with motorized vehicles.